Hello everyone. Again we are here with your doubts. There were around 102 comments in the video where I had asked you कि अपने doubts पूछो. I'll make video on that. Previously we talked about the opening and closing of the stomata. Today we are going to start with the experiments of plant physiology. I thought to make it as a combined video, but वो board में भी इतना space नहीं था and it would have been a mess. So I decided to make separate for all the three chapters. We'll talk about absorption by roots here, experiment 1, 2 and 3. टेंशन नहीं लो. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आई टॉक अबाउट ट्रांसपिरेशन, उसके बाद फोटोसिंथेसिस. सो यू डोंट वरी, यू कैन वॉच द वीडियोज एंड यू कैन मेक योर नोट्स. सो एब्जॉर्प्शन बाय रूट्स 1, 2 and 3. That means there are 3 main experiments from this chapter, absorption by roots, which come in the paper. अब देखो, आई विल बी टेलिंग यू द मेन एक्सपेरिमेंट. उस एक्सपेरिमेंट को किसी ना किसी तरह से ट्विस्ट भी किया जा सकता है. सो यू जस्ट सी द एक्सपेरिमेंट. जनरली 90% इट विल बी इन द सेम फॉर्मेट, बट येस ऑफ कोर्स दे कैन डू दैट, द ट्विस्टिंग ऑल्सो. सो विल टॉक अबाउट द एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 1, दैट इज टू प्रूव दैट roots absorb water. Roots absorb water. अब देखो, ये वाला जो एक्सपेरिमेंट है, it comes under transpiration also. I'll tell you how. Now what do they do for this experiment? They'll take a test tube. Inside the test tube there's water, and on the water there is a layer, a thin film of oil. There is a thin film of oil here. I'll tell you how the questions are also asked. और उसके ऊपर यहाँ पे there is a twig with roots, with leaves. Okay, so this is the experimental setup. What happens here? इसके साथ साथ they give you one more setup. यहाँ पे एक और setup भी बनाते हैं. A test tube is there, and उसके ऊपर सिर्फ यहाँ पे oil का film है. There is no plant. Fine. So now, they are trying to prove that the roots, they absorb water. How? There are roots present here. There will be no decrease of water level here in this test tube. Why? Because oil is here. And a very important question which is related to this experiment: what is the purpose of oil on the water? So the oil does not allow evaporation to take place. Very important. I'll write here, no evaporation, ताकि हमें ये पता चल जाए कि सारा पानी हैज बीन एब्जॉर्ब बाय द रूट्स ओनली. पानी वैसे बाहर नहीं गया है. सो दिस सेटअप इज देयर जस्ट टू शो दैट द रूट्स आर एब्जॉर्बिंग वाटर, बिकॉज यहाँ पे प्लांट इज नॉट देयर. So there is no decrease in water level, but here in this setup you will see that there is eventually a decrease in water level. This decrease shows that the roots that they have absorbed water, and the water has been transpired also. And the oil is signifying that there is no loss of water by evaporation. It's just that the roots have absorbed water. We will talk about transpiration also here, but this experiment also can be asked in another way, where what do? They just give you a test tube. They'll have water inside the test tube. There'll be a film of oil, lekin the twig which will be there inside this test tube will not have roots. They'll show you a twig like this with leaves. So in this experimental setup we are talking about transpiration. We are only saying that the water has been transpired out. We are not talking about the absorption by the roots. So this is the first experiment which explains that the roots they absorb water. अगर ये question आए, इसके साथ एक बहुत important question आता है, what is the purpose of oil on water? So you must know the answer, that the purpose is to make sure that no water is lost by evaporation. Next experiment is to prove that xylem conducts water in the plants. So what do they do here? There is a pot with a plant. Now I'll just make the stem thick. So here xylem conducts water. So always remember, we are talking about conduction of water by xylem. So if it is saying that xylem conducts water. So in this setup, xylem will be removed. Xylem will be removed, and xylem is the mid is present in the center. So how will we make this diagram? Like this. थोड़ा सा मैं यहाँ bulb show कर रही हूँ just to show you that the xylem has been, यहाँ से the xylem has been removed. I'll make an arrow. Xylem removed from here. Now what happens? The roots, they are absorbing water, but the water is not going up from here. So the leaves, they will droop. Leaves wilt. Leaves, they will wilt, droop down, and finally the plant will die off. So this experiment proves that xylem is responsible for conduction of water in the plants. ये वाला experiment, how is it asked? They will not give you this. They'll just ask you which part has been removed. तो आपको याद कैसे रखना है that if center portion is removed, that is xylem. Fine. So if xylem is removed, no conduction of water, no water goes up, and eventually you will see that the leaves will wilt. So this is the proof which is showing that xylem is conducting the water और water ऊपर नहीं जा रहा, because from here the xylem has been removed. कोई link ही नहीं है. So the water does not move up and the plant dies eventually. Next experiment is to prove that phloem is responsible for conduction of food. To prove phloem conducts food. Now obviously यहाँ पे हम phloem की बात कर रहे हैं, तो phloem has been removed from this setup. So the part which is removed is, again we take a pot, and here the part which is removed is the phloem part. So we'll have the xylem intact in the center and we'll have the phloem removed. अगर इस तरह का setup is there which shows that phloem has been removed, we have leaves here. Now what happens? The plant, it absorbs water. Water goes up to the leaves. Photosynthesis is done. Food is formed. But when the food comes down, when the food is coming down here, it's stuck here. It does not go down. So there is no food for the roots and eventually the plant dies. अब इसी के साथ there is one more scenario. They can give you a setup like this also. Now they'll ask you what is the reason of this swelling here. So the reason of the swelling is that the phloem is conducting the food till here only, and the food is accumulating here. This process is also known as girdling. This is known as girdling. Fine. So the food does not move down and eventually the plant dies. So these are the three experiments from the chapter absorption by roots, which are important from paper point of view as structural questions. In our next video, we'll talk about the experiments of the chapter transpiration. There are 3 or 4 experiments from transpiration. Maximum experiments are from photosynthesis. So we'll make a video for that also. Keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.